Hello, today I will show you how to use Vocallab and how you can design your voice by using our service. First of all, you need to click on platform, then find the studio here, and then clicking on it, on the left side, you can see the voice design. So click on it, and here you need to put a voice description. The voice description will describe what you want from voice, so I will try to make a Sherlock Holmes. I will skip this part. Now you can choose the language you want to use, and then you want to choose the after generate, but I will not doing it, so I will generate my voice. I have 3 types. Let's try to hear it, what we have here.
Every voice tells a story. This is how mine sounds. Clear, expressive, and ready for whatever you'd like me to say.
Every voice tells a story. This is how mine sounds. Clear, expressive, and ready for whatever you'd like me to say.
Every voice tells a story. This is how mine sounds. Clear, expressive, and ready for whatever you'd like me to say.
You know what? I like the first one, so we will pick it. So the next choice, what we need to do is create a name. So how we'll call this voice. So I will name it as a Sherlock Holmes. After it, you just need to click on Save to my voice set. Thanks for watching.